Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to back up WhatsApp chat securely. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to back up WhatsApp chat securely, you can simply tap on your WhatsApp. Once you tap on it, you can go to settings. After you have done this, you can simply tap on the end-to-end encryption mode. Once you simply find this mode, you can simply have your chats backed up. You can follow the prompts to create a strong password or generate 64-digit encryption key. You can simply tap on it and simply get your WhatsApp backed up securely. In the main chat backup screen, you can select your Google account and choose a backup frequency as well. Now you can toggle on the option to include videos if you want media in your backup, and tap the green backup button to start your first encrypted backup. So this is how you can simply back up WhatsApp chat securely. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.